In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Paw Patrol World on your PC. So what we need to do, open your Google browser, and after that we are going to search this game up at Steam quickly before we can proceed to another website to download this game without overpaying. So quickly go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time over there because we are not going to buy this game over here. We are going to download it on the other website. So select the game, after that scroll a little bit down and you will find out this game is €39.99 on Steam. But don't worry, if you go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here, you will be redirected to this webpage. What you need to do now is search for the same game, Paw Patrol World, and select the game. After that, make sure you click on sort by and then select price lowest first. Once you have done this, you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green. This is very important, and then you can select the game. Now the next step is to buy this game for just €12.79 compared to the Steam price of €39.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game, you will receive an email confirmation including a Steam activation key to activate this game within your Steam account to download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Bye bye!